Welcome to Jen Bell Yoga. I'm Jen, and in today's video we're going to go over how to do gate pose. Gate pose is one of my favorite ways to stretch out the lateral sides of our body. To start gate pose, we want to come up onto our knees. If this is hard on your knees, you can always find a nice, soft, comfortable surface like carpet, or you can grab a couple pillows and place them underneath the knees. From here, one leg goes out to the side. Traditionally, you want to have the blade or the outer edge of the foot down on the floor. In all reality, it doesn't matter what direction your foot is pointing. So if this is uncomfortable, feel free to turn your toes out or go somewhere in between. You can also lift the toes up towards the ceiling. From here, you inhale the arm opposite that straight leg. This is my left leg. I'm inhaling my right arm and lean towards that leg. You want to make sure you're lifting up and out of the hips before leaning over to the side. Your gaze can go up, middle, or down. And this other hand I have on my hip. Traditionally, that's where it goes, but you can let it hang out. You can let it slide down your leg. Let's talk about the extended arm. If you've had shoulder surgery, if you have frozen shoulder, or any other shoulder issues, you can place your hand on your shoulder. You can take your hands to heart center, or you can even keep your hands on your hips. The most important thing to watch out for here in gate pose is to not stick your booty back. A lot of times when you lift up, if it feels uncomfortable, we'll start to lean forward. If we feel resistance or tightness, we'll lean forward and stick our butt back. So it doesn't matter how far you go. The important thing here is getting the stretch. You can lift up first and then lean. And once you've started your lean, you can play around with rotating your chest forward a little bit, rotating it back. Notice how the stretch changes as you rotate your torso. This is another excellent pose to practice at the wall, but instead of facing your back to the wall, you want to try facing your front side to the wall. With your stomach facing up against the wall, keep your hips pressed against the wall, inhale your arm up, and then lean. When you do this, we'll ensure that we're not sticking our butts back. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content.